Good news. This is only going to be a 2-minute meeting. So I've gotten asked over and over and over again, how do I get into our Canva account? We have one set up for every agent in the office. And hopefully we have them set up for everybody who's a coordinator in the offices as well, because you're going to be helping us to get a lot of stuff out there. Now, everybody should have a login for 21 Online. Whatever your login to 21 Online is what you're going to use. But here's our Canva main screen. I'm going to click on login and it asks you for Google, Facebook, email. Don't do any of those. You're going to click on continue another way. And then you look for this, and we're going to go down to continue with work email. And our work email, in my case, is Lauren, whoops, come on, lauren.kime at century21.com. Now, all of you, that's my login to 21 Online. Everybody should have one of those. I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to send a code. Nope, I don't want to do that. I'm going to go down here to log in with SSO. Log in with SSO. Hang on. Again, I'm going to put in lauren.kime at century21.com. And I'm going to put in my password. Oh, that is probably not my password. Let's try it and see what happens. Nope. Hang on. This is going to take a second longer than I hoped. Unfortunately, I've got to find it on the other screen because I thought I had it saved. Hang on. This will take just a minute. But you saw where we went the SSO route. And this is where I think a lot of you are going wrong because you're having trouble with it. Almost there. All right, now let me delete all of this that I just put in. Let me put in the password I just copied. There we go. Now, you might have to get a push. So if you're set up correctly with 21 Online, then you're going to get a push notification if you do that, which is what I'm going to do. Hopefully it'll come through to my phone okay. It did. You have an unusual sign-in. Is that you? Yes, it is. And my PIN for my phone, and that should log me in. Okay, so this logs you into Canva. And again, in Canva, you've got all these access to stuff: presentations, social media posts, video, print, documents, whiteboard. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff you can create with Canva. It's fantastic. Down here, we've got a lot of buckets. Clip art for Century 21. I've put in a lot of stuff for you. Century 21 Country Lake Homes logos, Century 21 Kime logos. We've got some Kime office stuff. We've got some Country Lake Homes office stuff. We've got inspirational messages you can share and some flyers. And you can create any flyer you want to. There's lots of them in here. You can create projects. And again, there's lots of folders you can pull projects from. There are lots of different formats you can just pop stuff into. Very easy to do. And we're going to start sharing stuff back and forth. And again, we've got farm and ranch stuff, residential stuff, fine homes and estates, commercial, lots and lots of stuff here. Now, Lauren, I haven't been in 21 Online forever. Well, that's a shame because frankly, you should have been in 21 Online in order to get into your Century 21 University, which has lots and lots of great stuff. But if you want to sign in, if you can't remember your password, you may have to go back to 21 Online again, and you may have to click sign in, and then this is probably going to log me right in because I'm already in Canva. But if it doesn't, there should be a choice for forgot password. And if you forget password, it'll go back to your regular email address, and you'll be able to set up that new login with 21 Online and go back to Canva. So again, my quick 2-minute tour. I hope that works. And obviously this is taking a little longer than I expected, but nope, it logged me right in. So again, in 21 Online, by the way, there's so much stuff. It shows you your ranking, it shows you your customer satisfaction, how you're doing compared to awards. There's lots of great stuff in here. And over here on the right, there's your Learning Hub, which will take you to Century 21 University. There's our referral network if you want to find who you're going to send something to. Business planning, a lot of other great stuff. So please make sure to set yourself up with that, but you're going to need this password to get into Canva. Okay? Hope that works, and play this back if you can't figure it out. Thanks.